this. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning to all. Sorry for the inconvenience. Okay, I know the last moment the things have changed. I don't know what happened to that link. Okay, now let's see. Today I'm just planning for one small activity. So I'd like to give one activity in the teachers guidelines ELMS. So this particular chapter is access to all the teachers. So I can see here nearly 20 teachers have logged in and request all the teachers to log in and be ready for this assignment. So yesterday I have given you the two small questions. So Moodle stands for and write the features of the Moodle. So you can write it on the paper and also you can write this on directly in the software. So absolutely no problem. So you can do as per your wish. So now what we can do here. So I want to I'll give the assignment for the students. The student can open the assignment. So now I'm treating you as a student for this course. Okay. So turn the editing on. So editing on is there. So just straight away I'm going to the session where I want to assign the assignment. So add an activity. Click on assignment. Okay, so I'll just give assignment. Just I have given the name Moodle assignment. So here what you can do, if you have any description or the questions directly, you can just type it here and display that description to the students. If it is a question,
So where we have to go for this, all this, where we have to go?
okay, question.
I mean,
Let me close. Okay, so once you log in, so straight away I'm going to this page. Once you log in, so this is the page we are landing, right? This is the page we are landing.
Yeah, dashboard.
Yes, go to your chapter, which chapter, so where you want to assign the assignment, homeworks, notes, uploading of any resources. So you have to go to your particular chapter. Now we are in the chapter teacher guidelines ELMS. So this we are familiar with this. So under this session, so I want to add one assignment. So to add the assignment, so first thing, to add any of the resources, what we need to do the turn the editing on button first thing. So click on turn the editing on button and then come to the session where you want to give the assignment. So in the last session, I want to give the assignment here. Okay, so just click on add an activity and resources. Okay. So now you can see assignment. So there are activities all. So this will not be shown here until unless you not mark the star. So generally it will be first time if you are logging into the activities, it will show like this. So it will show all activities and resources. Just if you click on the activities, these are the number of activities. If you click on the resources, these are the number of resources. So anyone, if you want to use frequently, just click on the star. So it will be available here in the first page itself. So that immediately you can pick. Okay. So click on the assignment. Click on the assignment. As soon as you click on the assignment, so very mandatory thing is the name of the assignment here. So we have to give the name of the assignment and then the questions of the assignment. And then if you have additional file, suppose if you have a worksheet, suppose if you have a classwork, anything, like if you have any type of the file, you can just drag and drop that file here. So suppose if you don't have the question, so you can just write the name first here. Okay, so now I will write, you can just we are writing refer the page number. So homework, suppose assignment you are giving, refer the page number 23. Under the 23 page, complete the following, something like we are just giving the instruction to the student. So generally we write this thing in the diary book also for the parents reference, right? So this also you can write it. If not, you can write that questions here. If you have direct questions, you can write the direct questions. So I'm focusing on the direct questions now. You can refer this and you can just display the description. So any instructions also, if you want to give, you can give the instructions. So yesterday we have seen, so we have given the instruction in the audio. Also, we have given the instruction in the video. That is also one way we can do that. Otherwise, you just write the content and give the instruction. Apart from that, if you have the worksheet, if you have the particular page you want to upload here, or image you have, you want to upload it here as an assignment. So that easily we can do that. So we can, how we can do that? So just drag and drop. So just take the file from the source. Okay, take the file from the source. So just dummy file I'm just inserting here. Assume that this is your worksheet. Okay, so rest all the things you can just do it. And then coming to the availability, when should be available? So immediately it should be available. So I will say it should be available only by 9:35 today. So you can set the time 9:35. 9:35. 9:35. I'll set it. It should be enabled by 9:35. And I will say by disable due time also I will set it here 9:45. I'll give 10 minutes. Within 10 minutes you have to upload the assignment. Just I'm giving 10 minutes, a short activity for all of you. Okay, 10:35. So then reminder date and all, it's not mandatory, you can leave it. Cutoff date also, it's not mandatory, you can leave it. Okay, so now the online text, if you want to make the student to write the text also, yes, possible, you can do that. You just click on the online text. Okay, enable how many words you can type. So I will say 100 words you can type maximum, not more than that. And file submission. So if you, by default, file submission will be there. So how many files we need to submit? 1 or 2. So I will give maximum 2 files. So maximum 2 files, and the submission size will be not more than 5 MB. And then also we have seen the type of the files. So type of the files will be one document, you can select all, and then image you can select all. Okay, don't go for the specific at this stage. Any stage you don't go for the specific until you are sure, because you don't know what the students are uploading, what type. So you can just choose document and the image. Document and the image. Okay, so now what you can do, once this is done, the submission, the feedback, don't give anything, so just let it be as it is. Okay, next, submission type. Required the student to click on the submit button. I will by default it will be no, so I will say yes. So once you attach the file, it should be uploaded. It should be click on the submit, then only your files will be submitted to the teacher. Otherwise it will show as a draft. If you don't say if you leave it as it is, this will show once you upload the file, it will say it is done. So submission is done. So to make it sure, the student make it sure like I have submitted. So better to give always submit button. So just additional attempt, never, like if you want to give the number of attempts possible, you can give that, or never attempt. It's a single attempt until the assignment is open. Okay, so next, grading. If you want to, by default it will be 100 points. So if you want to set the grading, you can just set the grading. So I'm setting the grading to 10. So rest all don't do anything. So just click on save now and come back. So now you can see here the assignment is added now. So now go back to your screen as a student. Go back to your screen. So just I'm a student here. So I'm a student, demo LKG student. I'm a student here. So I'm in the same page. So just refresh the page. You can see that the assignment is added here. So similarly, it is available for you also now. You can check, just quickly you can check your screens, refresh it and check it. Just refresh once, it will be available. Okay. Hope it is visible to all. So once this is visible, so I will click as a student now. So I will check here. So I'll see, just you can see here what is going to happen. Now submission status not attempted, grading not done, due date is this, and then time remaining 7 days. So not change the date. Okay, time remaining 7 days. So I will change that right away. Okay. So now there is no submission, there is no attempt, it is not open. So this will be, the assignment will be accept the submission only on 26/9/35. So the student cannot submit the assignment immediately. Until 9:35, you can't do anything. So I'll change this to only 10 minutes. Let's see what will happen. So I'll just go back to the teacher login again. So edit the setting, edit. See that how I'm changing the date. So now by default, it is taken second, due date is second. So I will change this to today's date only. Today's date 9:45, 10 minutes, it will be done. Okay, so just save this, save the changes.
November, select the November month, sir.
Sorry.
Yes.
Okay. October, it is. Yes, October. So just 10 minutes, I have given the access. Save and changes. Now come back to the student login. Just refresh this. Still it is showing 7. It is not changed. Now you can just see that. See, it is showing time remaining 12 minutes 42 seconds. For the due time, due date and time. So still it is not open to submit. Okay. So still 3 minutes are there to submit. So now you can see here whatever the file I have given. So the file is available. The student can just click on this file and he can download that and he can attend to that and he can return, he can write everything on the given assignment and he can submit back scan copies. So this is one way the student can do that. And apart from that, the questions, whatever the questions we have given, so whatever the instructions we have given, it will be available. So hope the answers are ready with you now. So as soon as the 9:35 starts, you can start. I will also submit as a student. You can also attend as a student within 10 minutes. We'll see what are the changes we can see in this screen. So just refresh it. Again, you can see the time is decreasing here. So still we have 2 minutes to open the assignment. So still you cannot see that assignment submission button here. So just refresh your page and you can see that this changes. You can, are you able to see it or not? So any doubt till then, in this 2 minutes, you can ask me. So let me go to the teacher. So any doubts in the setting? So just quickly, I will repeat the setting. So name of the assignment. So any description or direct questions, any instructions, if you want to give, we can give that instructions here. And then any file, any worksheets, anything, any file, any images, if you want to insert for the, you want to give that as an additional document, you can give it here. And then allow the submission, date and time you can set here. By default, 26 from midnight, it will be started. Okay, so if you set the particular time, it will start from the particular time that already you have seen. Similarly, due date also, you can set the date and time, everything. And then cutoff also you can say, and then come back to the submission type, online text. If you want to accept the online, of course, for the smaller children, we will not allow them to type anything. So we are taking the submission in the form of files only. So this is the option. So as we are trying, so I have given this option. So maximum file of uploads I have given 2. So you can give maximum up to 20. And this by default, the side upload limit is 5 MB and the types of the file you can choose. So choose the document type and the image. Don't select the specific. Okay. So you can see that the document, these are the document type and these are the images type. And then come back to the submission settings. In the submission setting, require the student to click on a submit button. And then grading. If you have any grading, this is also not mandatory. So here the mandatory is only this thing. Name of the assignment. Rest all and due date, submission date, of course. It's a management of the any assignment, so that is required. So you can set these things and then just click on save. So now you can see 9:35 it is showing in the system. So now I'll come back and see, just refresh the screen and see. Now you can see add submission button is on now. So now the same thing you can also see in your screen. So now you start uploading your assignment. So your time starts now. So I will not disturb. So just upload your files You have 9 minutes, 11 seconds. So I can see how many are logged in here. Go to dashboard. I can see nearly 32 teachers have logged in here. Okay. So I will also attend as a student. I will just go to add submission. Okay. So online text. So what I'll do, I will record some voice here. Moodle stands for Modular Object Oriented Dynamic Learning Environment.
Sir, that add submission is not coming to me.
Refresh the button, madam. Refresh it.
So we had to type in the text or just we can attach the file.
You can attach the file also. Both the options are there. You can type the text and also you can attach. Both the options are there. I've given 2 options. So you can attach the file. So just I'm attaching one file here. Assume that this is my answered file. So if you want to write any.
Sir, I have
Yes, madam. Tell me.
Sir, I have submitted my answer.
Yes, yes, yes.
Can you see it?
You can
It is
keep
the-
submitting. I will show you one by one. Keep submitting.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
So now I am submitting my file. Okay, save the changes. Save the changes. Say edit submission, remove submission, and submit the assignment. So once I click on submit assignment, my assignment will be submitted. Confirm. Are you sure you want to confirm? Yes. So as a student, I can see that submitted for the grading. Yes, madam.
So here by mistake children has selected the other file rather than the original file. So if they want to remove now at this stage, they can't remove the file.
They can do it. They can remove that. So just they can click on the submission and they can remove that.
It's not working like that, sir. It's just downloading the file when we click on file submission.
There is an option like we can do that. So as a student right now, so see before they submit, they can, there is an option there. So edit submission or remove submission. So
yes, sir, I find out, but here still 6 minutes are there. Then he realized that still
no,
time is there.
Yes. Once he has done it, finish. That's it.
No, I thought that 6 minutes are left that he want to change.
No, he cannot change. Once submit, he cannot change.
Okay. Even though time is left also, he can't change.
He can't change it. Okay, now you can, I'll just come back to the teacher. So my student job is over now. Okay, I'll come back to the teacher now. So now I'll go to the lesson. Okay. So now I'll go to the assignment part. I'll go to the assignment part. Let's see. See, total I have given. See now.
Last time.
See,
Excuse me, sir.
yes, madam.
Last time you said that if disconnected system, then automatically
That
the
is
assignment will be
no,
submitted.
Not for the assignment. That is for the quiz exam.
Yeah, if the child disconnected by internet problem, and if he want to reattempt the quiz, there is no possibility of
No, he
reattempting
can
also.
possible within the time. It is possible. He can do that. Even system closes, before the time closes, he can open and he can see that the attempt is still on. It will not. It is not going to submit. He can just continue that same attempt. If you log in before the last end time, after the time he cannot. So now you can see here. So now as a teacher, so now I'm in the teacher login now. So total participants, total students are 181. So total submitted is 9, need grading for 9 and draft 9. So 6 people done it but not submitted yet. So just refresh it and see the change. Now you can see still 6 in the draft, 14 are submitted. So still time remaining is 3 minutes 14 seconds. So just refresh it and see that. So these numbers are keep changing. Quickly, you can just submit anything. Anything you just submit, no issues. It's not going to show it to anyone. Okay. So just to understand how we can do it. That's it. So Chandravani madam, don't type the message here. The same thing you can write it in the assignment. Okay, this is just for the chatting. This window for chatting only. So now you can see 19 are submitted, find the draft. Still 2 minutes, 3 seconds left.
Sir, this confirm submission is continuously coming. Is it okay?
Confirm submission, just click on submit now. Click.
Yeah, continue. It's coming like continue.
Click on
Okay.
continue. Yes.
Yeah, many times I have done, but again and again it is coming.
No, maybe just refresh once. It will
Okay.
not, yeah.
Okay.
See, 21 teachers have submitted now and 4 is in the draft. Still 1 minute 30 seconds.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, madam. Good evening.
Yeah, sir. How will know it is submitted or not? I submitted.
So how you know, you can see here. Yeah, submit. You can submission status. You can see. So now I'm in the student. You can see on the top submission stated, submitted for the grading.
Okay.
Notification will come.
Yes. Notification also it will come.
Yeah, in the bell icon.
Yes. So I'll come back to the teacher now. I'll just refresh it. Okay, 50 seconds left. Speed up, those are in the draft. Speed up, just submit as it is. Submit, no problem. Whatever it is there, you can just submit. 2 more. 20 seconds left.
Sir, for me, it's not showing.
Refresh the screen, madam. It is showing for all. Refresh the screen. You have the access of that chapter?
Yes, I submitted,
Yeah,
but it's not
submitted.
showing. Yeah,
This
no
way.
notification.
Assignment due is over. It's done now. You can't do anything now. Okay, so now let's see, madam. Let's see what's the issue with your screen. Once I'll give you the share screen. Now we have received the assignment now. So now still 2 under draft. They have not submitted. The time is over now. Now nobody can do anything. So I can come back to the student. I can see there is no option. Once I submit, there is no option. Nothing. I cannot do anything. So in the comment section also, comment submission. So 0 comment it is showing here. So now I'll come back. Okay, now I'll come back here as for the teacher login. So just I click on grading option or view all submission or the grading. So I want to give the grading for this 26
So
people.
before grading, just check once view all submit.
Okay. So click on view all. So it will show all 181. It will show all 181 students all together. Okay. So now we can see that Chirushila madam has submitted here, submitted for the grading, and 28 words she has written. Okay. So there is no, you can just go here and you can see the assignment attachment. If there is any attachment, you can see the attachment on the right side. So there is no attachment. Okay. So only I'll just minimize the size. See LKG demo. This is my login as a student. I have given a text audio file, and also I have written some text here. Okay, and also I have attached one file here. So everything I have done. So video, audio, text, and also I have attached file. Okay, so now I want to grade this particular student. So just go to grading, click on a grading. So you can see one by one who all is submitted. So as a student, you can see that here. As a teacher, you can see here. You can listen to this voice. Moodle stands for Modular Object Oriented Dynamic Learning Environment. Okay, next the text, whatever it is written, and also you can just download the file attached by the student. So just click on that, you can download that file. So you can check and you can assign. So assume that you have done all your instructions, all the corrections. So now I want to assign the marks here, 9.5. Okay, so if you want to give the feedback to the student, you just give the feedback here. Okay, so even you can give the feedback in the voice, video, again the same thing. Okay, so now once this is done, you can see here, save the changes and notify the student. Save the changes, notify the student, and save and show the next. So immediately it will go for the next student. If you click on this, save and go for the next student. So this is also possible. Otherwise, just click on a save. The mark has been saved now. Okay, so you can just move to the next student, clicking manually here. You can go. So here you can see that 181 students. So in this student, so no grading, not submitted anything. So this student is also not submitted anything. So you can see the name here on the top. Whoever is submitted, you can see the details here. Okay. So otherwise, you can just come back, just go straight away for the grading. It will show only those are submitted directly. So I'll just go for grading straight away. So just click on a grading. Straight away it is going, those are submitted. Okay. You can just keep on moving the student one by one. So let me see all otherwise. View all submission, there is a button here itself. View all submission, click on this view all submission. You can see here who all is submitted here. So here, this madam is submitted here, Shirishila madam. So just click on a grading. You can see that whatever the madam has written, the text here, 28 words she has written, but no attachment. So you can give the marks here, 9 marks. Good. Okay. Just click on save and move to the next student. So if you want to view all again, you can just view all, because here there is a gap of students here. That's the reason it is showing like this. Otherwise, if the students are there, continuously it will be showing. So Salma and Jim, yes. So madam has submitted one file also. Okay, but not written anything. So submitted one file. So just click on that file. You can just view that file. Okay, this is the answer the madam has written. So you can just correct it and give the marks 10 out of 10. Just click on save. WhatsApp कॉल करते हैं. वालेकुम सलाम. 10 मिनट कॉल करते हैं.
Sir, why it was showing the file that can't be downloaded or viewed?
Which one, madam?
So before when you are moving to another student, it just showing popping up in alert.
Okay, let
That
me.
is the-
This one here. This one.
Yes,
alert.
this one. Yes, can't
See,
open the
here
PDF.
there is an option. It's not getting enabled. I checked a lot of things, but still it is not getting. So
That
let's-
means the file which was attached will be displayed here.
It will be displayed here, and also you can correct it here, and the same file it will go to the student also.
Okay.
Okay, so I'll add it here, but I'm trying my level best to add that, but I'm unable to do it.
So maybe it's preferring a certain format so that we
no,
can inform
PDF
them.
format only. The PDF format only. Some service is missing inside. I'm unable to find that. I find it that particular service, but unable to fix that error.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I will fix it. Surely I'll fix that.
Okay, sir. Insha.
Sure. So this is how we can give the marks. So now as a student, I'm coming here. So now you can see here, nothing is showing. So just I'll refresh it.
ही अटेंड करत नाही आम्ही ती असतात आणि त्याच्यावर टेस्ट ठेवली होती त्यांनी ती मीटिंग
Just I'll refresh it. Now you can see that whatever the marks I got it from the particular teacher, it is showing graded 9.5 out of 10. So graded on time and date, it is showing. Graded by who is graded, that also it is showing, and the feedback from the teacher, that is also showing. So I have graded for 2-3 teachers. You can just check that. The same thing it will be shown here in your screen also. Just refresh it and check. So this is how the small assignment can be assigned, and you can give the due date, and this is how the communication can be done, especially with the assignments. So hope this small activity you liked it. It's easy. It's not tough. Within one or two clicks, they can easily submit the things. So just I wanted to make sure, like, just I wanted to show you all, this is how the students are going to attend the assignment. So as a student, so we have attended one small assignment and we have done that. And similarly, if you want to create the quiz, so simple quiz, I'll give you the quiz also, we can attend the same way. Okay. So if you have any doubts, you can ask me here. So that's it from my side for today. So inshallah, further we will plan what we can do. So still, if you have any doubts, so we can meet once more before we go live. So Mulafar Madam, Smita Madam, and Nair Madam, we have yesterday discussed, we are discussing about the sharing of the credential of the students. So all the credentials are ready. The login ID, admission number will be the login ID for all the students, and the password also I have shared. Capital login will be the admission number. Login is admission number. Okay, and the password will be common password for all. Password will be the common password for all the students. That is capital STU@1234. So I have shared in the chat box, you can check it. So admission number will be the login ID and the password will be the common STU@1234. So after login, they can change immediately. So this is the, I think I have shared it with Smita Madam only. Share it with all. So I have shared here in the chat box. You can see that the admission number will be the login and the STU@1234 is a login ID, password. So this we have to share it with all the students on the 31st of December as soon as we start the term 2, and see that within 2-3 days maximum, within a week's time, all the students should have the access and log into their system, and they should have the access. So before that, I will give you the small 2 minutes video how the student can log in and how they can change the password. And also similarly, how they can log in, install the mobile app. Same way, the video already I have shared with you. It's a small video, and also the steps. So same thing I will share with Moodle Android also, and Moodle iPhone also. So these 2 links also I will share it once again. So you can share that instructions to the students and the parents so that they can log in and keep it ready. So one, desktop, how they can log in. One, how to install the Android app, and how to install the iPhone app. If somebody is using Huawei tab and all that, they can use as a system login. There is no app for that. So if I have the device, I can check it, because I don't have the device to trial and error with the Huawei and all that. Otherwise, simply they can straight away they can log in with the web application. How we have done it. In the same way they can do it. So if you have any questions, so please ask the questions.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, madam. I'll just.
Can you see clear